I'm Erin.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
That's
Gremlin.
And today we're gonna do a little camper van tour of our Toyota Sienna.
Woo! This is our 2002 Toyota Sienna minivan. We got it for a little over $4,000 with a salvage title. Somebody just ran into something right here, punked the grill out and the radiator, and it was fixed up, and she's good to go. Has a little over 106,000 miles now. We got it with a little under 80,000, and we got some snow tires on, and she's ready to tackle the whole world.
So this is Celeste. I named her before we knew what the name of the color of the van was, and we found out that it was actually Lunar Mist Metallic, right?
Yes, yeah. Lunar Mist Metallic.
Yeah, so I thought that was really cool and a fun coincidence.
And for all you astrologers out there, she is a Pisces.
She is a Pisces.
So she cries sometimes, but she gets the job done.
So then we decorated it with some little moon and stars with the pinstripes. And we've got our little gas tank all decorated right here, if you want to zoom into that. We've got our stickers of everywhere we've been in it.
This has been to Alaska.
Yes, it has.
Currently, we are in Banff and Jasper National Parks, which you can see a little bit there. There's a little bit of mountains there. But we converted this into our little camper van. Here's a look at the inside.
So you can take a look at the inside.
It's a little messy right now because we're traveling.
Yeah, but all of this stuff we usually just put in the front seat.
Or the top.
Or the top. And this is our bed platform that we built. If you want to see, it's just made out of wood. We've got a platform, just a flat sheet on top.
And then we've
got slats underneath that, holding it all together.
We have a little mattress here, custom cut.
Yeah, it's just some foam pieces. We put like 3 layers of it all together because it was kind of a trial and error situation. This is a lot comfier with all of the layers.
It's a foot tall and about 7 feet long.
Yeah, and then we got this little grass pad thing too, so that the splinters don't get in the bed, and it just makes it more secure. So you can see here we have our little comforter on top. Just keeps the bed sheets all clean underneath. And then we've just got the back, we've got our pillows and everything. And yeah, like I said, we just kind of put everything up in the front whenever we're sleeping. And we go ahead and put the dog bed up front too, and then he sleeps in the front seat. And then usually underneath here, we don't have all of these bags down here. We have like 2 totes that stack perfectly on top of each other. That's kind of how I measured how tall I wanted this to be. I wanted us to be able to have 2 totes to stack right on top of each other so that we can have, I think we have 2 totes that go this way, and then we have 4 totes that go in the back. So then altogether we have 6 totes. We use some for clothes, and then the rest we have a bunch of camping gear, and we have lighters and plates and everything we could ever need on our trip. Then up top here, we've got our little cargo topper. Usually just holds like clothes and things like that. On the back here, we've got our little trailer hitch with our ice chest and our gas can. And that is our little tour of our Toyota Sienna minivan camper. And just lets us get to camp and saves us a lot of money on hotels. Total price of everything was about like $150 to build the bed frame, something like that. About $4,000 for the van itself with the salvage title. That helped the price out a little bit. So all in all, it was about $4,200. And yeah, saves us a bunch of money, and we get to go and see views like this. So thanks for watching.